Hi, my name is Duranté. I'm a bartender at the Campbell bar. I've been working here at Grand Central since 1990. Because I'm a native New Yorker and I grew up out in Queens. When I was a kid, a lot of times, or occasionally, my father would take me and my brother to the Oyster Bar for lunch. So I have a childhood memory of Grand Central. One of the biggest differences, in the beginning, it was mostly businessmen and commuters, and it's still a lot of that now, but now we have a significant number of European tourists and tourists from all over the country because Grand Central has become such a destination. My favorite place to eat in Terminal is definitely the Oyster Bar. It goes back to the old story. It's like a childhood place to me. What I love most about Grand Central is when I'm working after the bar closes, getting to walk across the main concourse when it's empty. It's really kind of unbelievably relaxing. I guess my favorite update to the current bar is that there's no carpeting, because I just hate carpeting in bars. Because the best time to come there is either like during the day because it's mellower, because you really enjoy the space more when there aren't so many people, or there's like a soft spot at night between like 8:30 and 10. It's like that's kind of the best time to be there.